Let's take a look at how easy it is to work with multiple documents in Photoshop. I'm starting in Bridge and I'm going to click and drag over all three of these images, and then I'll choose File and Open. We can see in Photoshop that all three of these images open as tabs, and we can click on the tab in order to view the image. We can also click and drag in order to reorder the images. And if I want to cycle through these open documents, I can use the keyboard shortcut Control Tab, and that's the same shortcut on Mac and Windows. Now, if I wanted to view multiple images at once, I could choose the window menu and then arrange and then select from any of the different options. Now, if the options grayed out, that's just because there aren't enough files open to select them. Now, personally, my favorite is the option to tile all of the images. Photoshop basically selects the best arrangement for me. Then, when I want to return to viewing just one image, I can choose the Arrange menu again and then consolidate all to tabs. Now, if I ever wanted to float a window, I could click and drag out the tab and then release the mouse. This can be very convenient or helpful if I want to move it to a secondary monitor, for example. I can also click and drag out a second image and then I can dock that. So I actually have two tab documents in a floating document. So the only problem with having a floating window is that if I click on this tab document, it's going to hide all of the images that are floating. To find a document that's been hidden, we just need to select the window menu, and then I can either choose it from the bottom of the window, or I can just return to the arrange and then consolidate all to tabs again. Now, when I'm ready to close my documents, I can click on the X in the tab, or if I have multiple documents open, I can choose the File menu and select Close, use the keyboard shortcut, or choose to close all, or close others, which will leave just the most active window open and close all the rest of the documents. For now, I'll choose Close All, and there you go. It's just that easy to work with multiple documents in Photoshop.